The nationwide industrial action by the Nigerian Labour Congress continues. As some public institutions comply with the directive, others shun the stay-at-home order. In Cross River State, south-south Nigeria, roads are deserted with few vehicular movements. Offices and public places are under lock and key.
Nigerians must realize that this strike is not just for the working people. The reason is very obvious. When the working people are earning salaries, the salaries will trickle down. It is from that earnings that the purchasing power will come.
It's a similar scenario in Nasarawa as the State Council of the Union obeys the command. In Bauchi State, the Academic Union of Polytechnics defies the order.
We have agreed and resolved that ASU, Academic Staff Union of Polytechnics in Nigeria, all over the federations, should not and will never join the TSU and NUC strike.
Officials of the Nigerian Labour Congress hit the General Aviation Terminal in Lagos, disrupting flight operations. Officials of Air Peace and ARIC resist, but the union eventually have their way.
The essence is that these are workers. More or less, they are faced with forced labor. These workers have no choice. A lot of them are on casual basis. Air Peace has not organized their people. And part of this struggle is to unionize Air Peace Airline to at least let their workers have a say, let the workers have a voice.
Passengers share mixed reactions.
Minimum wage is something that will benefit everybody, even the market women. The rate at which things are going in this country, if we continue in this way, we might not need to kiosks.
If you make a decision, you have to stand by the decision you make. The Labour Congress, I think this is a warning strike. And because it's a warning strike, I think they should actually carry it out in a better way.
Nigerians wait in bated breath to see the end of the impasse between the Labour Union and the federal government as soon as possible.